Hey there. Have you ever wondered how artificial intelligence, or AI, is silently shaping our daily routines? From the moment we wake up to when we go to sleep, AI is already a part of our lives, sometimes in ways we don't even notice. Let's dive into a few examples of how AI has become a game changer in our everyday life. First up, let's talk about virtual assistants. You've probably heard of Siri, Alexa, or Google Assistant, right? These smart helpers can do everything from setting reminders and playing music to answering questions or even telling jokes. They've made multitasking so much easier and brought convenience right to our fingertips. AI makes them smarter every day, adapting to your voice and preferences. Pretty cool, huh? Next, let's talk about content recommendations. Ever noticed how Netflix always seems to know what movie or show you'll want to watch next? Or how Spotify suggests a playlist that matches your vibe? That's AI working behind the scenes. It analyzes your previous choices, preferences, and even what other people are watching, tailoring suggestions just for you. It's like having a personal curator for all your entertainment. AI also plays a big role in getting us from point A to point B. If you've ever used Google Maps or Waze, you've interacted with AI-powered navigation. These apps predict the best route based on traffic data, construction, and even accidents, helping you avoid those dreaded traffic jams. It's like having a personal GPS that gets smarter with each drive. And then, there's smart homes. From lights that turn on with a voice command to thermostats that adjust the temperature to your preferences, AI is making homes smarter and more efficient. Smart security cameras can even recognize faces, and AI-powered lights can save energy by turning off when you leave a room. Living in a home like that is like stepping into the future, right? AI has also transformed the way we shop. Think about Amazon's recommendation engine or how online stores show you products you might like based on your previous searches. AI analyzes your shopping habits and preferences to predict what you might need next, making shopping a whole lot easier and more personalized. No more sifting through endless options. AI does the heavy lifting for you. So, whether it's through smart assistants, personalized recommendations, or even navigating traffic, AI is quietly working in the background, making our lives easier and more efficient. And as technology continues to improve, who knows what new ways AI will surprise us next? Thanks for watching, and don't forget to hit that like button if you enjoyed the video. See you in the next one, where we'll explore more exciting ways AI is changing our world. For more cool AI facts, hit subscribe and check out these other videos. Stay curious.